Picture this. You're deep in the wilderness, equipped with the ultimate survival toolkit. In today's video, we're revealing 23 bushcraft camping tools that will elevate your outdoor game. From innovative gadgets to timeless essentials, these tools are your keys to thriving in the wild. Ready to gear up? Let's dive in. Transform your shovel into the ultimate survival tool with the revolutionary Zunlo 2. This military-grade shovel's genius design converts into 7 different functions: shovel, axe, hoe, hammer, and more. Just adjust the angles to switch modes quickly. Extend the pole for even more reach when digging or chopping. Made of solid steel, it withstands tough use in rugged conditions. Stash it in the carry bag and add this powerhouse multi-tool to your emergency, camping, hiking, or off-road kit. Maximize backcountry versatility carrying Havenhurst's 10-in-1 slim yet bustling stainless steel camping multi-tool. Precision welds unite pliers, wire cutter, knife, can opener, screwdrivers, and more into a slim yet solid psychedelic swirl-finished body, ready to tag along close at hand. Toss it in a backpack pocket or glove box so a little bit of help is always on tap to assemble gear, prep kindling, crack refreshments, or handle unexpected issues as far-flung adventures unfold. For all the gun enthusiasts out there, the real Avid pistol tool is a game-changer. This 19-in-1 tool lets you break down, tweak, accessorize, and adjust your handgun on the go. It includes Allen wrenches for quick laser sight adjustments and high-quality gunsmithing bits that lock securely to prevent stripping. Whether you need a knife blade, pin punch, or other tools, this versatile kit ensures your firearm remains in top condition, making range trips and field maintenance hassle-free. Meet your new backcountry bestie, the crazy powerful Nordic pocket saw. This portable powerhouse packs raw cutting strength thanks to its heat-treated steel chain and reinforced nylon handles. Precision designed for performance, every link has dual teeth to rip through logs up to 15 inches thick with ease. The 100% Swedish leather carrying case increases durability while keeping it highly portable. Survivalists, preppers, and backpackers alike will love having this lightweight beast in their kit to combat unexpected obstacles on the trail. Why struggle with bulkier saws when you can unleash the limitless might of the Nordic pocket saw instead? Your new camping companion awaits. Be ready for anything with Holtzmann's Gorilla Survival Clip Point Folding Pocket Knife. This marvel features a razor-sharp D2 steel blade, effortlessly cutting through wood, paper, plastic, or aluminum. The G10 handle offers an anti-slip grip for maximum control. This complete kit includes a sharpening stone and carrying case, ensuring your EDC knife stays sharp and accessible. With Holtzmann's, you're not just carrying a knife, you're carrying readiness. When overgrown limbs demand attention but ladders seem inadequate, unleash the extension power of Huiman's sturdy tree saw. The impulse-hardened 13-inch steel saw bites deeply into wood, while the high-carbon steel offers long-lasting durability through the thickest branches. Grip the secure no-slip handle tight as the saw stretches a full 60 inches with the easy-to-engage lever lock. Safely take control of tall tree trimming tasks without risky climbing. And after debris falls, neatly pull in smaller branches within range using the helpful hooked ends. Huiman's tree saw brings full command over nature's untamed elements right within easy reach. The Wayland Survival Hatchet is a versatile tool that's more than just an axe. It functions as a hatchet, axe, and even a tactical throwing tomahawk. Molly-ready, it attaches easily to your backpack or bug-out bag, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or bushcrafting. Whether you're splitting kindling, building a shelter, or need a multi-purpose survival tool, this hatchet has you covered. The EST Gear Camp Survival Axe is a compact powerhouse of functionality. This axe and shovel combo packs 21 survival tools into one portable package. From a knife and saw to a bottle opener and fire starter, it's got everything you need for outdoor survival. Made with high-quality materials and backed by a lifetime replacement guarantee, this tool is ready for any adventure or emergency. The Wayland Tactical Knife is your all-in-one outdoor tool. This rugged knife is perfect for hunting, camping, and hiking, with a tough stainless steel blade, a sharp tanto point, and a gut hook for easy field processing. It comes with a durable MOLLE sheath for safe carrying. Whether you're a scout, a camper, or a hunter, this knife is built to handle it all. Lightweight, strong, and versatile, it's your new go-to for any outdoor adventure. Prepare to unleash your inner Spartan warrior with the Honshu Spartan Sword. This reimagined classic is innovative and built to last, combining ancient craftsmanship with modern functionality. Featuring a full-tang 16.5-inch D2 steel blade with a razor-sharp edge and weight-reducing holes, this sword means business. The ergonomic handle provides a tough, grippy grip with finger grooves and a textured pattern, ensuring a secure hold in even the most intense situations. Whether you're a reenactor, a collector, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of a well-crafted blade, this sword is a true masterpiece. The Tiger Military Heavy-Duty Auto Shovel is 16 tools in one. Made from super strong steel and aluminum, it's built to last. The cool part? You can switch between tools in seconds with just a slide. Use it as a shovel, saw, bottle opener, and more. It's perfect for digging out stuck tires, setting up camp, or handling emergencies. You can even add an extra handle for more reach. This shovel is a must-have for four-wheelers, hikers, campers, and anyone who loves the outdoors. Chopping firewood is easier with Suprock's 24-in-1 survival shovel. Its carbon steel head and stainless steel components make this a rugged tool for various outdoor tasks. The shovel includes an axe, a knife, and a pick-shaped cutter with a notch to remove staples. It also features a hybrid climbing axe and a hammerhead with a steel pommel guard. It also comes with an integrated locking saw arm with a dual-sided blade for cutting wood and metal. The shovel can extend to over 3 feet in length and compacts down to fit inside the included carry case. Check out the OK Knife Autical A1 Survival Hatchet, a versatile 3-in-1 tool designed for camping and survival. Lighter than a regular axe, it combines chopping power with hammer and pry functions for various outdoor tasks. Whether you're a seasoned survivalist or a weekend camper, rest assured that this hatchet has got your back. Calling all outdoor adventurers. Meet your new must-have camping companion, the Wayland Bushcraft Settler's Tool. This rugged multi-tool packs an auger, peg wrench, and more into one durable stainless steel body for shelter building made simple. Bore perfect holes with the screw-tip auger, then drive pegs into place using the integrated hammer function. An eye hook gives added leverage when drilling deep. With handy portability thanks to its protective leather sheath, this brute-strength survival tool is ready to upgrade your next hike, camp, or prepper's kit. Don't just survive outdoors. Thrive with the unstoppable versatility of the Wayland Bushcraft Settler's Tool. Stay prepared for any task with the versatile Roxon Phantom. This multi-tool packs 15 functions including pliers, an American Tanto knife, and wire cutters. The replaceable knife blade and wire cutters make it adaptable to different needs. The tool is suitable for home repairs, camping, worksite jobs, and more. An included case keeps everything organized. Consolidate your entire toolkit into one gadget with the S802 Phantom. Get ready for the ultimate walking buddy. The hiking tactical stick is tough as nails and super handy. Made from strong aluminum, it can hold your weight and won't break. But here's the cool part. It's not just a walking stick. It's packed with tools and has over 15 different uses. You can adjust it to fit your height, and it folds down small enough to fit in a waist bag. Whether you're hiking tough trails or just taking a stroll, this stick has your back. It's like having a whole toolbox in your hand. Good things come in small packages, and the Schrade Skax 5 Survival Axe delivers hardy chopping versatility from an ultra-compact, lightweight design perfect for packing along in tight quarters. The carbon steel blade spans just over 3 inches, but provides reliable cutting and hacking power you'd expect of larger tools. The textured safe handle ensures your grip stays planted through swing and impact, while the built-in finger guard protects from slips. Use the included nylon sheath to cover the razor-sharp edge so you can stash this axe securely in crowded packs and bags without worry until the moment you need it. The handy nail pry integrates further utility into this super portable package, ready to tackle trips ranging from emergency preparedness to rugged bushcrafting where space comes at a premium. Get outdoor tasks done quickly with the portable survival folding handsaw. This powerful pruning saw features an 11-inch carbon steel blade that effortlessly cuts through wood. The non-slip handle with a safety lock provides total control and security, while the handguard protects against accidents. Soft TPR grips reduce hand fatigue during long cutting sessions and withstand heavy use for lasting performance. Be prepared to split logs, build shelters, trail furniture, and more. Get your survival game unlocked with the Sahara Sailor Shovel Set. This compact 24-piece kit is designed to tackle any outdoor challenge you may face. Featuring an extendable multi-tool axe, you can effortlessly drive stakes and cut branches with precision. The adjustable shovel head allows for versatile digging and sawing, making it an essential tool for any adventurer. Toss it in your pack and hit the trails with confidence. The SOG Pentagon FX FDE is not your average knife. This full-sized beast is built for serious use. The double-edged blade is made of super tough steel that stays sharp. But here's the cool part. You can take off the G10 handles for a slimmer profile. The sheath is a game changer too. It works with SOG's universal mounting system, so you can set it up any way you like. Whether you're in the military or law enforcement, or just love top-notch gear, this knife is ready for action. Enhance your campsite efficiency with the Schrade Skiax 2L, featuring a titanium-coated blade and ergonomic grip for reliable performance in all your chopping and cutting tasks. This versatile axe includes a built-in hammer pommel and extra-large ferro rod, ensuring you're prepared for any situation, from building shelters to starting fires. Its ergonomic black rubber grip provides secure handling, making it a dependable tool for all your outdoor needs. The Smith & Wesson folding knife is a pocket-sized powerhouse. With a 3.1-inch blade made of high-carbon stainless steel, it's tough and sharp. The black aluminum handle feels great in your hand. Need to open it fast? No problem. Use the finger flipper or thumb knobs. It works for lefties too. The liner lock keeps the blade secure when open. With its handy pocket clip, you can carry it anywhere. Master campsite tasks from splitting stubborn logs to whittling humble utensils with Bushcraft's rugged, hand-forged wood hatchet axe. Skilled European blacksmiths shape and sharpen each one from top-grade carbon steel before fitting an ergonomic ashwood handle into place. The final honed edge and balanced weight make fast work of chopping or carving. The studded rubber grip stops slippage during forceful swings, allowing precise aim, while an included leather mask protects the blade between jobs. Tested in brutal Siberian forest yet priced affordably, carry this outdoor ally anywhere, knowing firewood and fresh shelters wait at every clearing. Wow, what an adventure these gadgets promise. But hey, this is just the start of your journey with outdoor artistry. Want more tips, tricks, and cool gear reviews for your next wilderness escape? Hit that subscribe button now. Join our tribe of nature lovers and become the camping pro you've always wanted to be.